Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm living in Sydney but frequently traveling around the world. As a part-time YouTuber, I strive to share hotel reviews and travel vlogs with you on a weekly basis. If these topics catch your interest, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to present one of Sydney's most respected accommodations, Park Hyatt Sydney. Set by one of the world's most beautiful harbours, this place is super fancy but still classy. Nestled between the iconic Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge, it offers an essential Sydney experience. The lobby welcomes guests with a fusion of modern elegance and Sydney's coastal charm. The ambience is inviting, with high ceilings and curated artwork adding to the experience. It's the perfect introduction to a memorable stay at this iconic hotel. Now let's check in our room together. The windows makes the outside view look like a painting. I'm so surprised by how spacious it is. The mini bar design is clever, but the only downside is that the tea bags are from TWG. The closet space is quite small. The bathroom is very spacious with a marble design, and the toiletries from Le Labo are quite nice. I quite like it. Now let's take a look at the outdoor pool. The pool itself is not impressive, but the view is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love this gym. It doesn't have that typical gym smell, it's really clean. And they even provided Dyson hair dryers here. Next up, my favorite part, breakfast. We've dined at the dining room a few times and loved it. But having breakfast here for the first time is just incredible. Life feels so worthwhile. Looking out at the Opera House in the morning sun is so inspiring. The breakfast quality is top-notch. They offer both buffet and a la carte options. Highly recommended. I really like this hotel because everything inside, from the staff to the interior design, is excellent. Even though the outside doesn't have a big logo or fancy design, it's still amazing. It's definitely the best luxury hotel in Sydney. After staying in many hotels here, it's my favorite.